All right, hello, Nora. So you can start with the updates. What's happening in skills? Hello. Mm-hmm. Okay. Why have you been able to like put anything on the middle on the canvas? Okay. Are you? Can you share your screen? Okay. Hello. Yeah. Uh, is it going to take some time? Maybe Vision can be giving his update. Okay. Okay. Vision. Vision. What's your update? Hello. I'm here. Yes. Yes. You're audible. Okay. Who exactly? Who exactly? Okay. Uh-huh. Okay. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Uh-huh. Oh, okay. Okay, okay. So okay, so by yesterday he was not done with it, right? Oh, okay. Mhm. There was something yesterday we discussed. He was handling. What was it? There was a correction he was doing. Was it a rectification? What was it really? Okay, I don't remember. The task. What task had you given him before that? Oh, oh yeah, yeah, yeah. That one. Okay. All right. What about the export to PDF? How what is the status on that? Uh-huh. Okay. 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 Um, so did you see that error Manish posted about the drop down? Yes. Yeah, yeah, yeah. He was talking about making it is. You see, when you load a document that has a drop down, it is showing. It is giving the option to edit. He even tagged you and yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. It was okay. I don't know. I've not been able to cross check every other component, but yeah. So I replied and told him we will fix it. So just yeah, assign someone or ensure it is fixed. Um then okay, what else? What about what else did I want to ask? Oh, so the mail about the mail. Today was testing actually. Um So I realized that you cannot you cannot like when you create a mail component on the template, you cannot get it on the document. If you drag a mail component, if you create a template with a mail, okay, let me just share my screen. So can you see my screen? You see, when you drag this is a template I created today. When you drag this email guy over here, so there's all this stuff. Okay, then if you come to your right, so this document I created from this template, you see it is this feature is coming, this feature is coming fine. uh the scale is coming, the date is coming. These are the I think this one is also a scale, the new scale, but I think they have not yet that one is expected. So the male guy is missing. Yes, it's missing, it's not there. Yeah, so have that checked on. So this one, okay, I realized I cannot drag anything here, but I'm thinking since it is being worked on, I'm assuming that is part of what they are working on, right? Yeah. So that's what I noticed. So about that. Okay. So yeah. So fix that. And then also ensure that you check that error about yeah. Now this scale also should have some restrictions. You see, Nora, are you there? Nora, uh, you see, yeah, hello, Nora. You see, this is a okay for the template, we can change all these things. When you drag in a scale, this is the old scale I'm talking about, eh? So when you drag in when you drag in the scale, you should be able to change things here on the template, fine, yeah. And then I don't know why I can't see the refresh button. Oh, it's here. So uh, okay. So this is fine. Okay, this is fine on the template side, but on the document side, it should not have all these changes. It should not, because here we are just coming to like rate. This is where the real rating is happening. So the only thing that the user should be allowed to do here is click one of these guys. So all these things on how to change the color, select the scale, they should not be on the document level. It should not happen. Even this border should not be there. I mean, they don't have any business. Okay, but the border we can leave. But for these settings, you can imagine in a situation where someone is trying to rate questions and then they can change the range of marks when they come, so it will not be so good. So we should restrict this on the document level. We should not be able to edit this scale stuff. Yeah, it should be restricted. It should not happen at all. Here maybe the only thing you can leave here is the border. On this side, is there anything else? No, there is nothing else here. You can even the remove scale should not be here. So on the document, there is some restrictions. No one should be able to change some of these crucial details. So like these should go. This one also should go. Um, yeah, these configs should also go, and then also the remove scale should also go. I think when you click this, it saves automatically, right? Yeah. So even the save button should disappear. Um, yeah, and also I don't. Okay, the refresh can stick around because every time you refresh, you should be able to see that you but the other things should disappear. Nora, I don't know if we're on the same page. Yeah, so just check on that, restrict that. Also take this mentality in the new scale. Uh, so changes on the document level are very limited. They are only allowed to rate on the document level. They are not allowed to change the scale settings or anything on the document level. The scale settings are only changeable on the template level. Uh, okay, so yeah, check on that. Um, all right, so okay, that's it. So you are done. You're ready to present, or are these? But these changes, I don't think they are. Okay, present it. Let me see. Pardon? Yeah. Uh-huh. Yeah. If you know what happens, Nora, is if you're working on an element, any element, you should think about it as far as the template is concerned and as far as the document is concerned, because people will use the same component on both cases. On one case, they are setting it on how it should look like. On the other, they are using it. So you should think about that. Maybe the best, if you're confused on that, you can talk to Vision. He can give you a technical orientation of the same. Hello, Nora. Yeah, Vision. Yeah, Vision. Explain to her how you differentiate between a document and a template technically, so that she is able to make the necessary restrictions. Okay, your screen is visible. Okay, okay. Oh, okay. But did you understand the documentation for the API? Hello, Nora? Yes. Okay, so like, do you have I wanted to see actually the progress itself, if there is anything you have on your screen. Okay. Who is it? Who is it? Today. Okay. 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 So just tell him to create a short loom. I would like to see how it looks like. Yeah, just tell him that. Um, okay. So, any questions from anyone? Okay. S- Thank you, Manish. Thank you. Um, all right. So just also look at that part. I had not seen it. I had not. I have not. When I was testing, I did not notice that. So just also handle that vision. Okay. So I think that's it. Thank you for your time. All right. Hello, Nora. Just text him, and then you can meet in the other room as I finish recording this. Yeah.